Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing watermelon salad. For the simple dressing, we'll need olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and a little bit of red chili flakes for heat. Feta cheese. I buy it in a block and crumble it. The already crumbled feta can be a little dry sometimes. Kalamata olives. You can use black olives or another type of olive if you don't have Kalamata. Of course, the watermelon, arugula leaves. They're crisp and peppery. It's a nice contrast to the sweet watermelon. And some fresh mint. Squeeze the lemon right into the cup with the olive oil. A couple of pinches of the red chili flakes, salt, whisk that up. Taste it, and if your lemons are very sour, add a little bit of sugar to balance it. And that's all for the simple dressing. I've already sliced into this. I had some the other day. You can just cut it in half and cut it into wedges and scoop out the flesh that way, or you can leave it whole and take off the rind like this. Either way is fine, whatever's easiest for you. Cut them into bite-sized chunks, about an inch. And lots of fresh mint from my garden. Just the leaves, not the stems. Wash it well, and we don't need to cut it, you can just tear it up with your hands. Mint is pretty much a weed, so if you want to grow it, make sure you put it in a pot, otherwise it'll just take over your yard. Put the cut up watermelon into a big bowl. Tear up the mint leaves. Whisk the dressing and pour it over. Give that a mix. Add the arugula. Olives. Toss it gently. And crumble the feta over top. And you have a delicious and healthy watermelon salad. The watermelon's sweet, a little crunchy, the arugula's peppery, the feta's salty, the olives are very rich, and the dressing is tangy. It's a really well-balanced salad. Serve the salad right away. If you leave it for a while, liquid's going to collect at the bottom of the bowl. If you want to make it ahead, you can cut up the watermelon a day or two before and leave it covered in a bowl in your fridge. Make the dressing and leave it in the fridge. Combine everything right before serving. For a quick lunch or dinner, I like to serve the salad along with some grilled chicken breast. I hope you guys try this out and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.